Soon after fertilization, the egg cell starts to divide into 2, 4, 8 cells, and so on, continuing to double the number of cells with each division. During this time, there is no increase in the mass of the cells. A circular ball of cells is eventually formed, called the morula. It gives rise to the blastula, and after further development, to the gastrula. As a result of the movements that take place during the formation of the gastrula, 3 embryonic germ tissue layers form: the ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. From these tissues, all the animal's organ systems develop. In addition to these germ layers, humans and other mammals develop 4 extra embryonic membranes. These are called the amnion, the yolk sac, the allantois, and the chorion. They provide the developing embryo with protection, nutrients, waste exchange, and regulation of gases and air. Between the 8th and 9th week of development, the differentiation of cells in the embryo has been established. All human features are evident, and the embryo is now called the fetus.
Do either of you know what distinguishes between an embryo and a fetus?
Well, when the mass of cells change to specialized tissue, then we call it a fetus.
It also starts to take on the form of a human, too, as you can see here. At what time during gestation would that occur? Gestation in humans is 266 days, or 280 days, since the last menstrual flow. So an embryo would become a fetus within the first 2 months or so of development, right?
Yes. Gestation is conveniently divided into 3 trimesters, each about 3 months long. The embryo becomes the fetus during the first 8 to 9 weeks of the first trimester.
9 weeks. Is this the average size